Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Sui. Wanted to make a quick update. I mean, this morning Sui has actually outperformed a little bit. It's minimal, but it's outperforming slightly, together with its close cousin Aptos. So both of them, I mean, you can see it right here. Only Litecoin has been outperforming them in the last last 2.5 hours, I think. 3 hours, something like that. So that's good to see, because what we talked about last video for Sui, when the price was testing the waters here and was almost falling below 2.95, what I said is that, we actually need to stay on top of this. Otherwise, we're probably going to fall down to 2.35 and 2.2. Because what you can see as well is that there's almost no liquidity, kind of, between 2.9 and 2.3. So fortunately, what you can see right here is that we have been able to hold the support level we've talked about. But now, preferably, and that's also why I wanted to make this video, we are seeing some outperformance from Sui, right? It's outperforming other altcoins, but I need to see some sort of a bullish reclaim, some sort of actual sustainable bullish momentum here to assume that this is the bottom and that we cannot drop down further towards that level around 2.3. So that's what I wanted to talk about. So let's get right into it. I mean, basically, we're already into it. So hopefully you've been able to follow it. And if you're new to the channel, by the way, welcome. I try to keep you updated on Sui. So if you're interested in that, then keep an eye on the channel. Fundamentals are not that interesting right now. It's the TVL is dropping down. It's quite normal in these market circumstances. DEX trading volumes are also dropping down. We've actually had the lowest DEX trading volumes since December the 7th, which is slightly worrying. It's not the end of the world, but it is worrying. I mean, Sui is just turning more bearish here. And you can see on the 12-hour time frame, we are definitely in a downtrend. So what we are looking at now is finding a strong bottom. I gotta say, the level around $3, technically, psychologically, and so far, how we've been able to hold it, that is a good candidate for a bottom. But like I said, I need more confirmation, right? Because so far this week has opened well, right? You can see the volume is also up a nice 55%. So the bottom right here is actually being protected, is actually being defended. But what I need to see from Sui is that we will be able to hold this level right here around 3.1 and 3.15. I think that's the area. I mean, it's a bit of a strange area, as you can see, historically as well. But I think Sui needs to break above 3.15 here. If we can do that, I think we can actually move up to 3.6, 3.7. And if we do that, then I think the bottom is confirmed. All right, because then I've actually seen some good strength from the support level, indicating that, it has a high likelihood of being the bottom. In the end, if we get a world war, prices will fall, right? So it's not exact science, but we do need to do that. So that's the main thing I'll be watching. That's over the course of today, but also this week, because if we are unable, and I do, by the way, slightly think this is most likely. I think $3 is being defended very well. I think it's a strong level. I'm personally not buying Sui right now. I think Aptos is a more interesting buy if you check it out and where it is in its market structure. So I will not be buying. I do think this is, at this point of time, the most likely scenario, all right? So that we will be able to bottom out on top of 2.9, on top of $3. But like I said, the main thing we have to keep an eye on, and the main thing I will keep you updated on as well, is 3.1. We just need to hold that. And if we're unable to do so for whatever reason, I don't know, 50% tariffs, could be anything. If we're unable to hold that and we'll drop down below 2.9 again, we will still drop down to 2.3. So that is still a realistic scenario. I mean, in crypto, anything can happen. It's just no longer, after the moves we've seen so far, the most likely scenario. I hope that makes sense. I mean, some of you will probably say, oh, you're saying it can go up or down. And yes, that is what I'm saying, because that's the truth. However, you will be able to kind of see which one of the two is going to happen based on the price action. So that's what I was trying to tell you in this video. Hopefully it helps. Those are my thoughts. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great week, and bye.